dear students, how are you? So I Paramjit, welcome back you on my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss with you that how to write an effective essay composition. Okay, so this is an argumentative essay. Okay, so I will just tell you the tips which will help you to write in planned way. So the topic is the use of mobile phones has lowered active social lives and has become an addiction. Express your views for or against the statement. Okay, so first of all, the thing which you have to do, that is the brainstorming. Okay, brainstorming is one of the technique which help you, okay, to get the flow of the ideas. Okay, so in which you plan that what you will write in the introduction, okay, what would be your outline of the essay, what would be your conclusion. Okay, so these bullets points are just a brainstorming. Okay, so every student should spend at least 5 minutes before starting their essay. Okay, without it their essay would not be considered a good one. Okay, so if they want that coherence and cohesion in their essay, okay, if they want their essay should be organized, okay, so they have to develop the habit, okay, to do this. Okay, so first of all, let's see that how to write an introduction. Okay, so here is an example for you students. Okay, so first of all, in your introduction there should be a general statement. We know that our essay is just about the negative impact of smartphones on our life. Okay, so we will just write a general line. Okay, just to just to show that the examiner that we have understood the statement. Okay, so this is the general line. Okay, general statement, so it is must to write in your essay. So two things are important, one is general statement and then the thesis statement. Okay, general statement which will show you, which will show the examiner that you have understood the that statement, the task achievement. Okay, and thesis statement is what you are going to discuss in the upcoming paragraph. I repeat it again, it is must to write the thesis statement. Without this, essay is not considered the complete one. Thesis statement is that part, okay, which tells the examiner that what you are going to discuss in the upcoming paragraphs. Okay, so here mobile phones undoubtedly are one of the most spectacular developments ever to have taken place in the field of telecommunication. They offer the easiest and simplest way to connect with our near and dear ones, thus augmenting and invigorating our social life. Okay, however, so this is the thesis statement. Okay, however, on the contrary, they have actually lowered active social life and have become an addiction for the youth of today. So this line has shown that in the upcoming paragraphs you are going to discuss the negative impact of mobile phones on our social life. So afterward there are the body paragraphs. Okay, so every body paragraph should have a central idea. Okay, and then there should be the explanation. Okay, so the here they are just telling us the young generation is enamored by this latest gadgetry. Gadget, enamored means they are attracted by. Okay, gadget means the mobile phone. Okay, so now they are explaining in these lines that how they are getting attracted toward the mobile phones. So this is the central theme of this body paragraph, and here's the explanation. Okay, so similarly your each body paragraph should have one central idea and then there should be the explanation of that. Okay, so now the next paragraph, the urge to stay connected with our own circle of friends and relatives. Okay, means they have the desire, urge means they have the desire. Okay, so the main point is desire to connect with our friends and relatives. Okay, so what is the impact of that? It has made, okay, made us a social outcast, okay, in the society. Outcast means means we are considered totally out of the society. Okay, so now they are just that proving their point by giving one example. It is common to find group of youngsters sitting together, but all are unmindful of the presence, okay, of other around. So they are just concerned about those who are far away, means they are just concerned about those, okay, they are just connected to those people, okay, those who are on the mobile, okay, means through the social websites. Then the convenience of utilizing the idle time also affect us socially. Okay, so the another impact, that negative impact of mobile phone is that we have chosen this gadget to utilize our free time. Okay, especially the business executives and professionals. Okay, so those who don't have the much free time, so whenever they get the free time, they just surf on the mobile phones. They just move their fingers on the screen of their smartphone. Okay, and like this they just become the habitual of it. Okay, and later on they suffer. Okay, so they are just giving you the reason also. Okay, so nevertheless it is now becoming indispensable. Okay, so means integral, means you can't separate, and it has become addiction. Okay, why it is becoming an addiction? Because of social networking and entertainment. Okay, for example, now we have that Netflix, we have Amazon Prime, so everything we have. Okay, so we are being addicted toward it. Okay, so here the explanation of it. Okay, so you can see the similarity that each paragraph, okay, has one central idea, and then they are further explaining it. So similarly in the next step, that body paragraphs also have the same thing. Okay, now I'm just going to move toward the conclusion, which is the one of the most important portion. Okay, so in your essay, the main two paragraphs which are considered, that you should, that pay attention, and you should, that you should think properly, that before starting it. Okay, one is introduction. Okay, that I told you that it should consist of general statement and then thesis. Okay, then concluding paragraph. Okay, it is just showing that you are just going to end the essay. Undoubtedly mobile phones have made our lives more safe and comfortable. Okay, however means, but like all good things, their excessive use has adversely impacted our social life and has now become an addiction. Okay, so you can see clearly the connection of your concluding paragraph with the introduction. So here also we are just talking about the negative impact. Okay, we were talking about that we are going to discuss the impact of mobile on our social life. Okay, so here we have concluded thus it has a bad effect on our social life because we are using it excessively. Okay, that's why it has impacted our social life, and now we have become addicted. Okay, so students, these are the some techniques which you have to keep in mind before writing an essay. By keeping these, or by following these techniques in the exam, obviously you will get the very good marks. Okay, so hope so that you will implement these techniques in your essay writing, and definitely you will improve. Okay students, so thank you and have a nice day. This is the end of the lecture.